Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to launch Amazon EC2 instance using Amazon Linux AMI. Make sure it has internet access and connected from a Linux machine. Alright, let's jump into the Amazon management console. So this is in console home. Let's go to EC2 in the search bar, which is a virtual server in the cloud for creating an instance. So here at the end, we have a launch instance in orange bar. Create an instance. Here I'm naming it as project STC as I'm using it from one of my subject. Here, application and OS image, which is Amazon Mission image. In the quick start, I'm going to select the default Amazon Linux. If it is not found in the quick start, you can also browse it from your search bar. Once you select Amazon Linux, create a new key pair. I just copied the instant name. I'm just going to paste it here. So it's already accessed. Let me change it as STC1. So I'm going to download it as a private key file format in the form of PEM. Let's create it. I created my key pair which as project STC1. So let's launch. Let's search VPC is isolated cloud resource. Open. Let's open it in a new tab. Now let's go to VPC home console. Here you can see um, you can attach your VPC to your instance. Before that we have to create a VPC. Let's create VPC. In the source to create, let's choose VPC only. We also have other options VPC and more. For now we only use only VPC. So let's name it as my hyphen project SDC1. Just as my key name, I'm going to give it here the same one. Let's add our IPv4 address as 1000016. Let's create it. So let's create VPC. Done. Our VPC is successfully created. Um, as my project is SDC1. Let's also create subnet. Here at the top we can see create subnet. Let's click into create our subnet as selected from the search bar, which is VPC1. My project is SDC1. So I'm going to name my subnet as SDC1 project hyphen SDC1. I'll be label zone. We can use any kind from of these options. I'm going for, yeah, let's create. Here let's also give the IPv4 address and create it. Yeah, successfully created our subnets. So let's go for root tables and create our root table name as my root table name as my RT hyphen project hyphen SDC 1. Let's create root table. So yeah, my root table project is SDC1 was created successfully. So these are the details of root table: ID, VPC, ID owner, ID, and this is a root table we have created. So the stage is active and also create. Let's also create internet gateway. Here I'm going to name it as my IG hyphen project. So let's create it. Here we have successfully created our internet gateway. Now here is the process to attach it to the VPN. Just simply tap on and attach it to VPC. So select the VPC which is given in the options, attach it to the internet gateways. So yeah, we have created it successfully. We have attached it successfully too. Let's move back to our last tab, which is EC2 dashboard. Here are the instances. So this is our project instance, which are SDC project. Tap on the instance. This is the instance ID. So this is the public and private addresses. So the instance is running. So yeah, this is all about our project details. So let's go to EC2 Instant Connect. So yeah, so let's go to EC2 Instant Connect. So yeah, let's connect it. This is the process where we connect it to the instance. This is a EC2 Instant Connect. Here we have our username, instance ID. So this is session manager. We have SSH keys, Boston host, and opening any inbound ports. So this is a session manager. This is SSH client. So here we have instance ID, the run command connected to your instance using public DNS. So this is our SSH client. So yeah, let's go. This is a EC2 serial console where we have our instant ID and serial port. These are all details of our project which I have created, which is a EC2 instance. Yeah, let's connect it. This is the end of our project. Before that, we have to terminate the instances. So just simply go back to the EC2 instance, go to the options of instance running. Here we have our two projects, but this is my main project. So just go to the running state. I just simply selected it and going to terminate it. Let's just refresh it. That's it. Our project is terminated successfully and stop running. Just reload it for to see whether your project is terminated or not. So our project is successfully created, and we know in the end the conclusion is we have seen how to create the EC2 instance connecting from our local machine to the Linux machine. So this is a process of connecting, and in the last, that's a process for terminating, for stopping the project from running state to termination. So yeah, congratulations to ourselves that we have successfully launched an Amazon EC2 instance using Amazon Linux